For the past month, we've been lucky enough to call Loki part of our family. He's lived on the farm, running with the animals, soaking up the attention, and showing us just how sweet he really is. But fostering means helping them heal, preparing them for their forever home, and then letting them go. Today, Loki begins his journey north, where his new family is waiting to love him. Goodbyes are never easy. We'll miss the way he leaned in for love, the way he made himself at home, and the way he fit right into the farm life. But every foster is worth it, because it means another life is saved. Good luck, Loki. Thank you for letting us be part of your story, and thank you to everyone who chooses to foster, adopt, and rescue. Together, we can make new beginnings possible. Special thanks to Chance's Dog Rescue and Relocation. Please like, subscribe, and follow along for more. Thank you, and see you next time.